In this program, you are going to learn how to draw a circle. This is ideally click to file, then new file and start typing code. To draw a circle, you need turtle library. So write the code import turtle. Let me explain this code. We have imported turtle library. We have created object T1 for turtle function. Here r equal to 50 means radius taken 50 minutes. We are running a for loop 360 times because one complete angle is of 360 degree. Here we are forwarding turtle to 50 units so that it create a radius. For each and every step we are turning turtle 1 degree so that a complete triangle or circle may be formed. Let's run this program. Run module. See, we are saving this program by circle and shapes. See, circle is drawn, but it is not coming to the same point. So let's wait. Turtle is slow, it is slowly moving, and it is a very big circle. That's why turtle is taking a lot of time to return his home. Let's wait. Turtle will definitely reach to the beginning point, but it will take little more time. Turtle had arrived and he made a complete circle. To complete circle, if you want to be visible, take the radius small. So we take the radius small so that we can see a complete circle. So here instead of 50 you can type 1. So we will get a little or a small circle. We are running the code once again. See, turtle is drawn and it has completed one complete path, and you see the circle is completed within few minutes. Definitely circle will come back to his home. You need to wait little more minutes. Now circle is complete, but it is a very big, so we are going to make changes in the code. So here we can take r because radius is 1 step. Let's run the program. See, now you will get a small circle in front of your screen. Turtle is moving 1 degree in each step, turning left side, and 1 step is the radius of the circle. Circle is complete. Now we make a star. How you can make a star? We need to make changes in our code. And what is the changes? We are not making the circle, so remove this code R. In a circle, in a star, there are 6 line segments. So here you will run the loop 6 times. You need to forward the turtle how many steps? 100 steps. And for a star you need 144-degree angle. Now see on the screen how turtle is drawing a star. A star is drawn in front of you. Now we will draw a pentagon. If you want to draw a pentagon, there is small changes in the code. 100-degree we have to forward. In pentagon there are 5 sides. So 5 times you run the loop and 72-degree angle is formed. So run. See, 72-degree is drawn and one pentagon is created in front of you. Suppose you want to draw a hexagon. How will you draw? Make changes for the hexagon. In hexagon 6 sides are there, so you need to run the loop 6 times. And for the hexagon 60-degree angle must be there. Now run the program. See, hexagon is created. Now we will draw octagon. Octagon 8 times you need to run the loop to complete 8 line segments. And for the octagon, inside angle formed of 45-degree. Let's run the code. See, octagon is drawn in front of you. So here you have learned how to draw shapes like circle, star, pentagon, hexagon, octagon with the help of Python code and using Turtle library. I hope you have understood. You will learn some more interesting things or coding in my next video. Thank you very much.